I am here and I just got a box from Dia & Co. I'm gonna go with Dia. I don't know if it's DIA or Dia. I feel like the internet's like that. You don't know how anything's pronounced. It is Amazon, not Amazon though. So they sent me a new box. Full disclosure, I am a DIA affiliate. They do send me the box for free. So I'm lucky to do that, but I would share it with you guys so that you guys can kind of see what it looks like and all that kind of stuff. So my stylist is Lisa. She says, I hope you find this Dia box finds you well. I love reading your feedback and can't wait to hear what you think of these pieces. Big tip for subscription boxes, type as many words as you can about every single product. If you love it, tell them why you like the fit, tell them why you like the color, all that kind of stuff. I know you like navy blue as a base color, so I picked out the Adriatic skirt for you to try. It's perfect for summer with the Anya tee, brightly colored flats, and stud earrings. She didn't know I don't have pierced ears. Loser! For sportier outfit, pair with the Carly tee and the capris and the tennis shoes. I think the bright colors of this Bridgeport dress will be gorgeous on you. Wear it with turquoise shoes and gold jewelry on a date night. Because everybody has turquoise shoes, right? Keep sending us feedback and share your favorite outfits on Instagram. Remember to use the hashtag MyDiaStyle, which I never have, I probably should. You can also post them directly to MyDiaStyle on your Dia & Co. account. Have fun! Of course, they send you a bag that you can send everything back. Totally free. Shipping's free, both ways. All right, first thing. Oh, kind of a nice shirt. Interesting. I don't know. It's a little big. But it's definitely long enough, and I really like the color. I bet I'll end up liking it. Sometimes these swoopy kind, because I don't have any boobs, I mean I have some good foam, end up looking a little funny because my top part is a lot less wide than my bottom part. Well, maybe some of you are that way too. But this top, it's a Ryan white. Anyway, that looks lovely. Oh, I'm excited about this skirt. Oh, it's a great fabric. And that looks great, right? Great size. You guys can't see how long it is, but it's a perfect size. I do have some modesty constraints that I stress highly when I do a subscription box, and this one definitely meets it. It's nice and long. It's flowy. This is going to be great for the rest of the summer. I'm super excited. I'm also going to a conference in a few weeks, and that'll be great for that because you always look dressy, even though this fabric, I mean, I don't know what it's made out of, but it is stretchy and awesome. This is their Molly and Isadora brand, which I think is their house brand up close. And this is a purple. I don't know if you can tell. I'm right by my window, so hopefully you can. Ooh, t-shirt. Now it's got these things. You can't see them. Let me see. These little stringy guys. What do you guys think of those? But I love the color. I used to have a shirt like this, and I bought it at Ross, and it went south real quick. So I'm very excited for this. This is a great box so far. All right, here's the dress. So I'm a little worried this will be too short. No, good. What do you guys think of the color? I think it looks good on me. I will have to wear a t-shirt under this because I do need to have my full shoulder covered. But I like it, and it's very different. This is the thing, like stepping outside of my box. I probably wouldn't buy this dress normally, but hopefully it looks awesome sauce on me, and I really like it. So what do you guys think of this one? That one, the brand is that Ryan White again, which I've never heard of before. All right, last thing. These are some Rafaela capris. And that's a brand they do really frequently. I love that belt. Look how fun and colorful that is. Just your basic capris. Slimming capris. This is Rafaela. I already said that. Anyway, those are really cute. So they send 5 items, and they're just random. They don't usually all go together, which is fine by me because I have plenty of other things. But this box was great. I would definitely keep everything in here. They did a really good job. They always listen to my modesty concerns. I also don't like wearing the color black, which is odd for a plus size girl, I think. And Stitch Fix has had a really hard time with that, but Dia always does a great job with it. So I love these. This one will be interesting. We'll have to see what the photo looks like with me in this, right? Love the purple shirt, love the skirt. This guy, I'm a little concerned, but excited to try it on. I think it will be great. It's a little bit dressier than what I usually wear too. So tell me what you think. If you are between the sizes of 14 and I don't know, they go up to 28, I think, maybe higher. They're gonna fire me. But they go pretty high, maybe 32. If you're between those sizes, I would definitely recommend giving them a try. They have great clothes that are just made for women of a larger size than other places. And I love purchasing their stuff. So give them a try. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and you find a great outfit to wear too. And maybe I should find some makeup and my chin should stop breaking out. These are the things we hope for.